The main work, various lathe machines, milling machines. This one is fairly well equipped, it looks like, right? Right. And you have a 2-ton crane, runs along the workshop, on top of the workshop on rails. Is that it, or we had?
That's it, apart from the carpentry workshop.
Right, there was another one I seem to remember.
And the officers are not.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Yeah, we have a lot of inventory of steel. Yeah, a large inventory of steel piping. That's the lathe workshop we just came out of. And right here is the carpentry workshop. Right. Electrical shop. They do motor winding here, right? Rewinding of motors. I see one of them there. And right inside, this is inside the lathe machine shop. They have, what is this, Caterpillar? Looks like a generator.
Yes, it's a spare piece of equipment that hasn't been brought into use yet.
So they have some generators which are in good condition but not currently being used. What it looks like to me.
And some scrap equipment here.
Yeah, some scrap. So Roy, can you say something about this, or?
Yeah, well, before we start, how much do you know about it? Because it's a shell of a building, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a shell of the new administration building, right?
Okay. So behind the new building structure is the old set of offices and a workshop down below for the looking after air conditioning.
Right.
This is the structure for the new building, which has yet to be completed.
Right. And next to that structure is these bathrooms and toilets for the workers, adjacent and behind the workshops. Standing in front of the dockyard, the slipways to the left and the workshops to the right. In the middle is Captain Roy Facey on the right and Eunice, the manager of the dockyard, on the left. Thank you very much. Okay, ready.
We're now down on the south side of the National Dockyard, and we're looking over towards the Maritime Affairs Base. The boat with the orange topping is their pollution control boat.
Okay.
And then out just on the right hand side of that is the red channel marker buoy. There's a channel that comes in to the Maritime Affairs Base, which is about 3 meters deep. And then over to the right are the container cranes of the Aden container terminal, and the turning basin, which is 700 meters diameter and 15 meters deep.
Right.
We have shallow water. There's a bunch of birds over there just off the corner of the National Dockyard, and the water there is about 1.5–2 meters deep.
And this fence that we see, this is the National Dockyard.
This is the boundary of the National Dockyard, and this is security hut on top of the wall there.
So these are the workshops we are looking at.
Yes, and then the fisheries cold stores and so on with the grey cranes on the bulk carrier behind them.
Right, and then behind us is these.
This is the main road.
Right.
The main entrance road, which comes.
Yeah.
We could take the car back and then take a photograph from the centre of the road, looking in, to show the approach to the dockyard.
Right.
Perhaps. The road to the east, and looking towards the old fortifications around the town of Aden. This is the left-hand side of the dual carriageway, and off the dual carriageway is the entrance into the Aden flour mills and silos, and the road to the left goes down to the National Dockyard.
Right, so this is the approach road to the National Dockyard.
Yes, the sign is on the corner.
Right, I got that. Those are the crater mountains?
Yes, the mountains around Crater of Shamsan, about 600 meters high, overlooking the town. And the road that we're looking down now, it goes right through Mala.
And these apartment buildings, these flats are in Mala?
In Mala, yes.
Okay.